Hey everyone, my name is Neil, and this is EtherMango, a service for easily buying or selling digital goods such as music, files, and ebooks with your Ethereum wallet. What's great about EtherMango is that you don't need a complicated sign-up flow. Your wallet address is your account. You can see that it's detected my account from MetaMask, which is my Ethereum wallet. Today, I'm going to be selling a book on Comic Sans, which is an underrated font. So I'm going to add my cover art. I'm going to add a title here, Intro to Comic Sans, the price of 0.001 ETH, which is a steal for this book. You can enter in a basic description. We support Markdown, so you can do formatting like bullet points, links, that kind of thing. So I'm going to put in a few bullets. And you can upload a file, so I have an ebook, which is a PDF. And lastly, you have the receipt text, which is what your customers see after buying your product. This can be a thank you letter, it could be a URL, maybe a special product code. And after that, you just click create. In EtherMango, your wallet is your account. In order to authenticate, you need to sign a message to prove you control this address. It's pretty simple to do, you just click sign. The next step is to add your product to the blockchain. So I'm going to submit a higher gas price here and click submit. And you might be wondering, why do I have to pay to add a product? Well, EtherMango uses smart contracts to store your product's metadata, record purchases, and route funds. When someone buys your product, the revenue will immediately be deposited in your address. Let's open up this transaction on Etherscan, and we'll come back to it later to actually verify that the deposits went through. This process might take a few minutes depending on what you put as your gas price, but it's important that you do not refresh the page, otherwise you will have to start over. I'm going to cut the video now to when this is actually finished. Okay, so it's starting to finish up, and the result of this will be your own product page. So you can see you have your own URL at the top. You can distribute this URL to your customers, and they can easily purchase your product. Now let's see what this looks like from the buyer's perspective. So I'm going to sign out of my account here, and I'm going to switch to another address and refresh the page, and now I'm viewing this product as a customer. Buying is just as simple. You click buy, and you have to sign in again because it's a different address. And now you pay the 0.001 Ether, put in a gas price of your choice, and click submit. And again, you're going to have to wait for the smart contract to verify before you can actually download your product. So depending on how much you put for your gas price, that will change your waiting time. Okay, looks like this transaction is finishing up. And when it's done, boom, you get your receipt, you get a nice link to download the file, and that's it. So you can click on the link, save the file, and it all just works. If you want to keep track of your products and purchases, you can just click on the My Account button. Here you can see the purchase that we just made, and if you list any products, they'll be here also. It's tied to your wallet, so you don't need to know a password or anything. The last thing I want to show you is the merchant's account on Etherscan. And you can see here at the top that the purchase we just made was already deposited into the merchant's account. And it's not the full 0.001 because we take a 1% fee for all of our transactions. But that was basically an instant deposit. That's the full demo. Thank you so much for watching, and we're still in beta, so really apologize for any bugs, but we hope you enjoy using the service.